Здравствуйте, привет, and hello. Welcome to the next video in our series about learning the Russian language. In our last video, we talked about pronouns, and in this video, we're going to learn a few basic Russian phrases. These are phrases and words that everybody knows. Hi, bye, please, thank you, that sort of thing. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The first is greetings, and I start every single video by saying Здравствуйте, привет, and hello, so you should already be familiar with these. Привет, that means hi, and it's informal. So remember we talked about ты and вы pronouns? This is the same thing. This is an informal greeting. You would use it with family, close friends, children, that sort of thing. So repeat after me. Привет. Привет. Now the more formal way of saying this is, it's kind of a long word, but we'll break it down. Здравствуйте. 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 So if that looks intimidating, don't worry about it. You can start with just remembering привет. But if you really want to learn the Russian language, you do need to know how to say hello in a formal way. So what I recommend for really long words, keep saying it over and over again. If you say it literally 100 times, if you just sit down and say it 100 times, it'll take you like 2 minutes. You will remember it. It will be committed to your memory. So the word is Здравствуйте. Try and focus on pronunciation. Здравствуйте. Okay, so that's it for greetings. Привет and здравствуйте. The next thing people usually say in a conversation after hello is how are you? It's very simple in Russian, 2 words. Как дела? Как дела? Как дела? How are you? And then possible answers. Хорошо, which means good. Хорошо. 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 Как дела? Хорошо. And then the opposite answer would be плохо, bad. Как дела? Плохо. Как дела? Хорошо. So remember these 2 possible answers, хорошо and плохо. The other thing you may want to know if you're meeting somebody for the first time is, what is their name? So how do you ask? Well, 2 forms, informal and formal. So the informal, if you're asking like a child's name, for example, you would use the informal form, and you would say, Как тебя зовут? Literally, it means, what are you called? Как тебя зовут? Как тебя зовут? And then the formal form would be Как вас зовут? So this is if you are meeting somebody in a professional setting or some kind of formal setting, or really it's just if you're meeting a stranger, it's a sign of respect. You shouldn't start off just assuming you can be in the informal form unless you're talking to a child. So, как вас зовут? And then you need to be able to answer. once they ask your name. Меня зовут blank. My name is blank. So, let's say your name is Sasha. You would say, Меня зовут Саша. Меня зовут Саша. So repeat after me. Меня зовут Саша. Как тебя зовут? Как вас зовут? Меня зовут Саша. Okay, great job. Those are the basic conversation starters. But the next thing, very much appreciated, manners. Please and thank you. So, starting off with thank you. That means, or rather, in Russian, thank you is спасибо. 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 Thank you. And then, after somebody thanks you, you would usually say, you're welcome. So the word looks long, but don't worry, we will break it down. And the interesting thing about this word is that it means you're welcome, but it also means please. It has two meanings. So even though it's a long word, you get 2 for 1. 2 for the price of 1. So let's break this down. It's пожалуйста. So that's пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Repeat after me. Пожалуйста. 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 Same thing as before. If you say this 100 times in a row, it will take you 2 minutes, but you will commit it to memory. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. It means please and you're welcome. And then the last thing, of course, is farewell. How do you say goodbye? And just like the greetings, there are 2 forms. We'll start with the informal one. This one you can use with close friends, family, and children. Пока. 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 And now the formal farewell. До свидания. It's 2 words. До свидания. До свидания. До свидания. До свидания. До свидания. Okay, that is it for our basic Russian phrases. Give yourself a pat on the back for making it this far, and be sure to check out the next video. We're going to be learning a few adjectives next time. Have a wonderful day. До свидания.